LYRA is a revolutionary new SKA feed pan, which has been designed to suit the whole poultry sector. The shape and dimension, together with other details, ensure the best results for a wide variety of birds. Hens, turkeys, cockerels, ducks for fattening and breeding, guinea fowl and pullets can all be safely reared and maintained. LYRA can feed 50 to 80 adult hens, 50 to 60 turkeys, ducks or guinea fowl according to their weight, 24 to 28 laying hens, and 10 to 12 cockerels. For turkeys over 55 to 60 days and ducks over 40 to 45 days, a special collar with 12 slats is available as an accessory. It is a ring to be fitted to the external pan border to increase its diameter. A star-shaped ring, which has no sharp corners or edges, fits around the drop tube and encourages chicks not to go inside the feeder, but at the same time gives them plenty of access to the feed. The special anti-waste bottom section of the grill, together with the rim of the pan, create a convenient perch on which chicks can stand and eat comfortably from the very first days. A great majority of birds arrange themselves so that they face the center of the feeder, which avoids harmful contamination of the feed. After the first 8 to 10 days, they start the feed only from outside the pan. Through these features, LYRA achieves a double objective by maximizing the speed of growth in the initial period and keeping the feed clean for the whole cycle. The 4 large openings in the grill have a multiple function: to make the feed clearly visible, to facilitate the bird's access in the early days, to allow birds like ducks, cockerels and adult turkeys to put their heads inside without fear of injury. The well-defined anti-waste border integrated in the base of the grill reduces feed spillage from the pan to the minimum. The wastage is negligible, even with birds that eat in a different or particular manner like ducks, guinea fowl and laying hens. The gap between the grill and the rim of the pan lets feed fall back onto the feeder, and so recycles the small amount of feed which is dispersed at the edge of the pan by the movement of the birds. The drop pipe is in 2 parts, which can be separated so that individual feeders can be removed or added without dismantling the conveyor tubes. The well-known patented SKA feature of centralized regulation of the quantity of feed to be dispersed into each pan has been further developed. At the start of the growing cycle, it can be decided which of 3 levels of feed is required in the pans when they are lifted from the floor into the suspended position. With a simple quick movement, the pan can be put into the cleaning position, where it can be rotated freely around the drop tube by a jet of water from a pressure washer. The smooth surfaces, the absence of any hidden feed or dirt traps, the hinged pan and the cleaning position assure quick and efficient washing. These individual details make LYRA a really revolutionary feed pan. It is no longer necessary to look for a specific product for each type of bird. It is no longer a problem to change breeds or the length of the growing or production cycle. The breeder is not compelled to invest heavily when converting an installation, or when the ever-increasingly global market requires changes. For all these reasons, SKA LYRA guarantees reliability, functionality, practicality, and above all, flexibility.